In this video I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful laundry bag. As you might know, I love to travel and I'm actually pretty organized. But somehow I always forget to take something for my used laundry and end up by using a simple plastic bag. So now that's over. I'm going to show you how I made this really easy and quick laundry bag that has the perfect size for traveling. Enjoy! So what I figured was that the typical shopping bag has a nice size for our project, and I decided to stick to these dimensions. I used solid cotton fabric, 90 centimeters long and 40 centimeters wide. The seam allowance is already included in these numbers, but of course you can do these bags in any size anyways. And also we need a band to do a drawstring bag. I asked you on Instagram if I should go with a white or neon color, and you decided for white. And I have to say I was happy with that choice, so you need 240 centimeters of that. The first thing to do is to finish all open edges with a serger or a zigzag stitch on the sewing machine. That's important so the bag will also look good from the inside later and the fabric cannot fray. Once that is done, we can already sew both sides together. Lay the two right sides of the fabric over each other and put them together with a few pins or fabric clips. Before going to the sewing machine, we have to mark the holes for the strings. They will be on both sides, measured from the top between 5 and 6.5 centimeters. Like this, we will have an opening of 1.5 centimeters for the ribbon. Now you can sew the 5 centimeters from the top and then everything down from the 6.5 centimeters. Don't forget the back stitches on all beginnings and all endings of the seam. Like this, you're going to have stable seams and you can use the laundry bag probably forever, and then you're going to repeat those steps for the second side, of course. Press the seams open and then fold the top edge 4 centimeters inwards and also press this line with the iron. Now all you need to do is sewing 3 centimeters from the top to build the drawstring. If your sewing machine doesn't show you a 3 centimeter mark, you can easily put on some masking tape that will help you to orientate, like I show you here. Now you can sew all around the bag and end with a back stitch to secure that seam. And we're almost done. Take your ribbon and cut it into 2 pieces of 120 centimeters each. Use a safety pin to push the ribbon through the drawstring, knot the open ends together, and then do the same with the second ribbon, but start at the other opening on the other side. Knot the open ends together, and now you're done. That was pretty easy and quick, right? If you like this video, give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe for more sewing and DIY videos that will inspire you. See you in my next video. Bye!